Hi everyone! I know some of you are going through a lot lately right now, and maybe you are feeling sad, or hurt, or lonely, or broken, or simply you're in pain. And sometimes you just need a good cry to ease all the heartaches, and that's okay. And always remember that it's not weak to be weak at all, but if you choose to stay in that position forever, then that would be a problem. Now, I want you to think strong and to be brave in all the circumstances that will arise in your life. And today, I dedicate this song to all the people who are hurting right now, and I hope that you'll find courage through this song. It's hard to smile at my reflection when I wake up. I wonder why all I see are the imperfections, all the proof that I'm not alright. Oh, and I confess that none of this makes sense, and you struggle every day. Ooh, but I know sometimes we gotta be lost to find our way. Don't be afraid, even the strong cry when no one's looking. We try not to be scared on the outside, but I know that the strength from the fall, it's not weak to be weak at all. Behind these eyes, a world is hiding where I feel safe, but so alone. All these scars, they keep me fighting for a place I can call my own. Oh, and I confess that none of this makes sense, and you struggle every day. Ooh, but I know sometimes we gotta be lost to find our way. Don't be afraid, even the strong cry when no one's looking. We try not to be scared on the outside, but I know that the strength from the fall, it's not weak